Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows build and whether you need x86, x64, or ARM packages. This avoids installing wrong binaries. Once done, check Control Panel or Settings for installed Visual C++ redistributables so you know which years and versions require updates. Then, download the matching installers for each needed runtime. Make sure to pick the latest security update for each major release. This prevents compatibility issues and reduces redundant reinstall attempts. You run each installer with administrator privileges to ensure files register correctly. If an installer detects an existing copy, choose Repair to preserve runtime behavior and COM registrations. Close all compilers, IDE, and games first because locked DLLs will cause install errors. Install missing major year packages in sequence, older to newer, so dependencies align. Once a set completes, reboot to allow the system to register services and update the side-by-side manifest. This step avoids runtime load failures. You finish by verifying each Visual C++ entry in Programs and Features to confirm correct versions and recent install dates. Once verified, run sfc/scano to repair system file corruption that can mask runtime issues. If an application still fails, reinstall that application so it picks up the correct redistributable, and enable verbose logging or event viewer to capture loader errors. One key tip: if you hit persistent DLL conflicts, uninstall all VC+.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.